This is my review of the LEGO City repair truck set number 3179. You get one minifig with it. He has quite normal clothes and just got a hard hat here. There's you're supposed to get two of these, but I lost. Well, I didn't lose them. I misplaced the two white ones, so they're somewhere over there in the big Lego box. So basically it just goes up on this thing here, and he goes to repair the light. You get the light here, it's supposed to be normal street light, and you get a little garbage can. I just put a little bit of garbage inside of it. It says, like on the set, it gives you a tan base plate. Mine came with this gray base plate, so it looks more realistic. This one apparently supposed to get the tan, but I got the just the gray one. Yeah, great. Whatever. Now into the truck. Just take this guy out. What's that? And he just goes inside the truck like that. Steering wheel in there, doors open on the side. And over here there's places to put the tools. And if you open up the side boxes, there's some there's a gas can in there and a drill. And on the other side, there's two lights that go on the street light itself. Sorry if you guys hear some construction. They're doing construction across the street, so just don't mind that. Yeah, that's basically all you get in this set here. Just a street light, garbage can, and the repair truck. And there's the manual here. There's about 26 pages of building. Very simple. Just built in like half an hour. Yeah, so later.